Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Elvin from Tan Crystal Machinery. It is my honor to present you our real repair machine today. This is our best-selling model, WRM28H. It can cut wheels up to 28 inch. That means it can repair the majority of alloy wheels on the market. This machine size 2200 mm by 1600 mm by 1800 mm. The weight is 2100 kg. Its heavy body makes it stable while running and ensures the cutting result is perfect. Now, check on the operation panel. We use the multi-touch screen on it, and the operation software is based on Windows, so the operation is more simple and easier to learn. The whole process from detection to optimization and to cutting all can be done automatically. The software, which we developed by ourselves, have been upgraded for many times by the feedbacks from our users. Now, please look at the top of the machine. It is our security lock. When the door is open, the whole process will stop to protect the operator. All of our machines have CE certificate, and we have established many overseas agents, and hundreds of our users can tell you that Crystal is your reliable partner. So if you are interested in our real repair machine, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.